welcome to Painting Series 1, Tutorial 8. In this tutorial, we'll be painting the loincloth that Christ wears in the crucifixion and baptism icons. This gives us the opportunity to paint a white garment that summarizes the folds that we've learned so far, as it includes drop and hanging folds, as well as a knot. So without any further ado, let's start painting. We don't want the rapsimata to be too dark because the garment is white. And we'll start breaking down the forms of the first vortisma. So there we have our white garment. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, keep practicing.